12 pots of chili that next Sunday is the 12th day of Christmas. The outreach committee and pastor have some entertainment plans. Plus, it's kind of a potluck. In other sense, we need 12 people to sign up to make chili, or they can bring bread, cornbread, or crackers, or sign up for bars. But it should be fun, should be warm, and it's a good way to maybe start a new.
What day is that, Pat?
That is next Sunday after church, and it's open for everybody. It's just that we do need some people to bring a few things, and the sign-up is out in the Narberth.